Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Connect your Xbox One controller to the PC via USB or pair it over Bluetooth. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app to confirm firmware and button mapping. This prevents input problems. If you plan to run Left 4 Dead 2 through Steam, sign into Steam now and enable Big Picture or Steam input. Make sure Windows recognizes the controller in devices and printers. Once done, you'll be ready to configure in-game or through Steam. Now configure input. Open Steam settings and go to Controller, then General Controller Settings. Check Xbox configuration support so Steam can present layouts. Next, use Steam's controller layout or Left 4 Dead 2 in-game options to map triggers, bumpers, and sticks for aiming, firing, and melee. Test in Big Picture mode or a controller tester to confirm axes and buttons register correctly. If you notice drift or sensitivity issues, adjust dead zones and sensitivity curves. This helps. Finish by launching Left 4 Dead 2 and selecting the controller profile you configured. Verify that Look, Move, and Interact buttons work in the Options menu. If something fails, restart Steam and the game, reconnect or switch to a USB cable, and update the controller firmware via Xbox Accessories. Make sure no other mapping tools or overlays are intercepting input. If problems persist, use Steam's controller reset option or test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.